Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you're doing well. So today we are going to study one of the most important topic, which is preparations of salts, mean preparations of soluble and insoluble salts. So this is a very important topic. So stay focused. Let's begin. Introduction. Different salts are prepared in different ways depending on the type of acid, the type of base or metal, the solubility of the salt. Dear student, salts are generally classified as soluble salts. Second one, insoluble salts. So let's discuss in detail preparation of soluble salts and insoluble salts. First one, soluble salts. Definition of soluble salts. Soluble salts are those salts that dissolve in water. Example, NaCl, sodium chloride, KNO3, potassium nitrate, Na2SO4, sodium sulfate. Methods for preparing soluble salts. Dear student, soluble salts can be prepared by neutralization in acid plus base reaction, also from acid plus metal, also from acid plus metal oxide, also from acid plus metal carbonates. The first one, preparation by neutralization, reaction acid plus base, give salt plus water. Example, HCl plus NaOH give NaCl plus H2O. The second methods as preparation by acid plus metal. Reaction acid plus metal give salt plus hydrogen gas. Examples, 2HCl plus Zn give ZnCl2 zinc chloride plus H2 gas. The third one is preparation by acid plus metal oxide. Reaction acid plus metal oxide gives salt plus water. Examples, 2HCl plus CuO give CuCl2 plus H2O. The fourth one is preparation by acid plus metal carbonate. Reaction acid plus metal oxide gives salt plus water. Examples, 2HCl plus CuO give CuCl2 plus H2O. Important note, various student soluble salts are usually obtained by reacting acid with bases or metals. A second one, operating the solution to get crystals. Now the second one is insoluble salts. Definition: insoluble salts are those salts that do not dissolve in water. They form a solid called a precipitate. Methods for preparing insoluble salt. The most common method is precipitation reactions. Precipitation method. Definition: when two soluble salts react in solution to form an insoluble salt, the insoluble salt appears as a solid precipitate. General reaction: soluble salt plus soluble salt give insoluble salt plus soluble salt. Examples, AgNO3 plus NaCl give AgCl plus NaNO3. AgCl is insoluble and form a white precipitate. Another example, PbNO3 whole chicken 2 plus 2Ki give PbI2 plus 2KNO3. PbI2 is insoluble and forms a yellow precipitate. how to obtain insoluble salt steps. First one, max 2 soluble salts solutions. Insoluble salt precipitate forms. Filter the mixture, wash the precipitate. And the fifth one, dry it. This is the fourth steps to obtain insoluble salt. Comparison table, types of salt solubility, methods of preparations. First type is soluble salt. Its solubility dissolves in water. And methods of preparation of soluble salt is neutralization, acid plus metal, and carbonates or carbonates. And second type is insoluble salt. Does not dissolve. And methods of preparation of insoluble salt is precipitation reaction. Daily life examples of soluble and insoluble salt. Soluble salts, table salt, NaCl, baking soda, NaHCO3, fertilizer, KNO3. Insoluble salts, chalk, CaCO3, silver chloride, AgCl, lead iodide, PbI2. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on preparation of salts. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.